Welcome to BTS Disco. BTS V reunites with Vuga Squad at Choi Woo-shik's fan meeting. Korea's famous friends the Vuga Squad are back. Today, Parasite actor Choi Woo-shik celebrated his 10th year in the entertainment industry with an online fan meeting titled A Midsummer Night's Dream. The Vuga Squad members BTS V actor Park Seo-joon, actor Park Hyung-sik and the rapper-songwriter Peak Boy guested on the show to celebrate with their friends. They arrived on set with cake, flowers and the best gifts of all themselves. Today, the Vuga Squad brought smiles to the fan faces as they chatted and answered different questions. The majority of Vuga Squad met while filming 2016 historical K-drama Hwaarang the Poet Warrior Youth. Although the friends always make time for each other, it's been quite a while since fans have seen all the 5 Vuga Squad members together. For the past 2 years, Park Hyung-sik has been serving in the military. He was discharged in January of this year. Since this absence, his friends still found a way to include him in their fun, such as editing him into V's vacation photograph. BTS V's friend Choi Woo-shik just can't say no to him. What V wants, V gets. Armies can't say no to BTS V and neither his friends. Whenever the Vuga Squad gets together, hilarity ensues. They love to tease each other and entertain fans with their mischievous antics. At the end of the Vuga Squad visit, Choi Woo-shik invited his friend to take gift home with them. V, who always have an eye for the best prices, zeroed on the PS5 console. Choi Woo-shik playfully discouraged V from taking PS5 and called him back over. The staff laughed at V sneaked behind of the Choi Woo-shik bag and went back to collect the PS5. Choi Woo-shik claimed when he noticed the PS5 is in V's hand, he could have told V to put it back again, but instead he let V take it home. Best friend indeed. BTS V gets Parasite certified at Choi Woo-shik's fan meeting. He is now an honorary cast member. Director Jun Ho's Parasite made movie history when it hit screens in 2019. The Oscar-winning genre-defying film features a host talented star including V's friend Choi Woo-shik. Choi Woo-shik played the role of Kim Ki-woo, son of a struggling Kim family who conspired to infiltrate the world of the rich. Before being hired by a wealthy family, the Kim family earned low wages at pizza box folders. At his fan meeting A Midsummer Night's Dream, Choi Woo-shik tested his Vuga friend to see who could fold a pizza box the fastest. One of the prizes was the pair of Parasite sunglasses. V folded his pizza box quickly in less than 15 seconds but not properly. Choi Woo-shik caught V trying to cut the corners by his thumb to fold down a flap that should be tucked into the box. Although V didn't win the pizza box challenge, he fared much better at Choi Woo-shik's friendship quiz, tying with actor Park Seo-joon for the first place. Choi Woo-shik revealed that when Parasite won its award, V and Park Seo-joon had been the first to congratulate him. When Choi Woo-shik gave V and Park Seo-joon their prize, a gift coupon, all three posed with it while wearing the Parasite glasses. The coupon says gift coupon the right to use Choi Woo-shik. BTS V names Choi Woo-shik happiest Vuga Squad memory. What is the Choi Woo-shik's happiest Vuga Squad memory? V knew the answer on his whiteboard he wrote surprise party. Choi Woo-shik explained that Vuga Squad had a tradition of throwing birthday parties for each other. One year, however, everyone seemed to have forgotten his birthday. On his birthday, the Vuga Squad didn't respond to Choi Woo-shik's messages. Little did he know that they were secretly preparing a birthday bash. Out of all the Vuga Squad members present, V was the only one to guess the correct answer. V nearly changed his answer at the last moment, but Choi Woo-shik's facial expression convinced him not to. The Vuga Squad revealed what they have been up to lately. It's been a long time, but the whole Vuga Squad is finally together again. Between busy work schedules, Park Hyung-sik military service, COVID-19 pandemic restrictions, the Vuga Squad reunion is a long time coming. After they arrived on the set with cake and flowers for him, Choi Woo-shik asked his friend to talk about their current activities. Park Seo-joon is currently filming a new movie, Concrete Utopia. This disaster film follows the survivors of devastating earthquake as a journey to the last safest heaven in Seoul. V is preparing for July comeback with BTS. On July 9, BTS will release a new single CD featuring Butter and its instrumental as well as a brand new song Permission to Dance. The instrumental for Permission to Dance will also be on the CD. Like Park Seo-joon, Park Hyung-sik is also working on a new project, a K-drama called Happiness. Park Hyung-sik plays a detective who is trying to protect others including his high school friends and love interest in the midst of a deadly outbreak. Choi Woo-shik pointed out that Park Hyung-sik came directly to fan meeting after filming Happiness. As for the Peak Boy, he is working on the music behind the scenes. I am putting my album together, working on new music, he said. Yeah, that's what I am up to these days. Thank you so very much for watching my video.